gotta be cool. How does this thing work? How do I?
So what I wanted to share is this is the new bridge page, splash page, whatever it is. So this is basically one that I actually opted in. So basically an entertaining little clip right here. Then if you want more information, you like, comment. But down here at the bottom of the screen, learn 4 chords, play hundreds of songs. Click on that. That goes to
roofs,
basically
boxes,
the main
or light up the
YouTube
room.
video.
Google
aside from
Local
the ad,
Services
so you
ads.
do kinda
Makes
wait
it
for that.
easier.
If
But
you learn these 4 simple
it's basically that short entertaining clip got linked to another video 2 minutes long where the guy is basically advertising his course. And then obviously when you click down here, you click on there, and then that goes right to the capture page. I don't know why my phone's doing all these extra steps. Last night at 2 a.m. when I came across this, the phone wasn't doing all that. But you see the point. That's like a flawless way to get people to your capture page. And an entertaining little short. Now you can create those shorts, those short little YouTube videos using AI. You don't even have to be on the camera. This is the new bridge page. If you're in marketing, you know what a bridge page is. Basically a page to kind of warm people up, introduce yourself. But those short little YouTube shorts, you can crank out 10, 20 of them a day using AI and get more traffic to your capture pages. More to come.